Yeah, there go flake right there. We keep it real over here. How dare me for disturbing the flakes. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today, if you've been following my post in the community tab, then you already know what's up because you guys chose this. So shout out to all the roses who put in their vote for me to try out the Aunt Jackie's coconut cream recipes curl boss coconut curling gelée. Okay, so if you want to learn a little bit more about this and see what it does to my hair, subscribe and turn on your notifications. Give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing people do things with their hair, and leave me a comment. Okay, so let's take a look at this real quick. Okay, roses, this is the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Coconut Cream Recipes Curl Boss Coconut Curling Gelée, and this is for natural curls, coils, and waves. This has no mineral oil and no petroleum. It's for natural curls, coils, and waves. It's enriched with coconut oil, and it says show curls, coils, waves, who's in charge. The lightweight frizz control gelée recipe uses just the right amount of coconut oil to help deliver impressive definition, shine, and softness without a stiff, tacky feel. Helps minimize the shrinkage. And this also says goodbye frizz, hello shine and definition. Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss Coconut Curling Gelée is the perfect styling remedy to help achieve soft, bouncy, smooth, hydrated, radiant looking curls, coils, and waves. Great for 1B to 4C textures, wash and go styles, and any curly style in need of long lasting definition. So now that we have taken a look at it, looks like a gel. I love that the consistency of it was not sticky on my hands. On my fingertips and on my hand, it is very smooth. So hopefully it does not leave like a sticky residue while it's drying. What I also like about this, it has a slight coconut scent. Smells really good. It smells just like the other product I use from Aunt Jackie's, that one. Now if you haven't seen that one, make sure you watch it after this one. I gotta put on my glasses. Directions for this. This says best when applied to wet or slightly damp hair. Depending on hair's length and texture, apply a moderate amount throughout hair from roots to ends. Using more for thicker or longer hair. Evenly distribute by raking through hair with fingers. Style as desired for tighter, scrunchy curls or coils. Blow dry hair on a light setting with a diffuser. For elongated, stretchy, bouncy curls or waves, apply finger styling into place and either blow dry on a light setting or air dry. For protective styling, use a wide tooth comb to better distribute throughout hair before completing your style. Now with my hair, I'm about to go wash it real quick using the product I mentioned in a few videos ago. You don't know what I'm talking about? Yeah, watch that one after this video as well. I already have this link to my Amazon storefront in case you want to check it out. I love the amount. Look at this amount. Look at this big jug. Look at it next to my head. I mean, this is big. I love the amount you get for the price. This price is affordable, easily accessible. So again, you know, check out that link in the description box in case you want to get it. Okay, roses, so it's the next day. Yeah. Let's get into this. So let me tell you, before we put this on, I had a time trying to get flakes out of my hair. Now, if you saw my previous videos, you know I am suffering seborrheic dermatitis slash psoriasis slash I don't know officially what it is till I see a dermatologist, but I am trying out this medicated shampoo. Okay, so far it's loosening up, you know, flakes and everything, but then it's about getting the flakes out my hair. And I got a lot of hair, so I had a time. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna re-wet my hair, put some of this on, and I'm just letting you guys know up front that the result is probably gonna have flakes in it. We're probably gonna see flakes right now. Why? Because my scalp is fighting the problem right now. Okay, so yeah, there go flake right there. We keep it real over here. How dare me for disturbing the flakes. Okay, so anyway, so you see how much hair I'm working with. The directions does say, you know, depending on how much hair you got, how thick it is, and all that good stuff, it will depend how much of this you need to put on. I'm not trying to put that much on because I'm washing my hair every 3 to 4 days now, at least twice a week, because the whole, you know, flaking situation. So I know I'm not going to be able to wear this style as long as I really would normally do. So I don't want to waste too much of my product. We're going to see what it does with my hair semi-wet. Okay, that's a piece of hair. It's nice and smooth. One of the reasons why I really don't like to use gels is because of stickiness on my hair, and then it just is all on my neck, and it's just yuck. So depending on how you normally do your wash and goes, some people shingle, some people rake, some people use a brush, Denman brush. Me, I don't got patience to be pretty much using anything, so I just kind of rake it through. Look at that. But I bet you the wetter this is, the more definition I'll have. I just go through and just smooth it on here. That's my way of doing things. Okay. What y'all think so far? I expect my hair to frizz, that's what it does. So everyone's hair is different. You just never know. You guys can watch what I'm doing with my hair and see my results, but that doesn't mean our results are gonna be the same. Oh, that's cute. If my hair could just stay like this and keep the length right here. Oops, okay. So we have this side, and we have this side. We have this side, we have this side. Okay. Probably should have put some gloves on, but I'm getting ready to redo my nails, so I'm not really worried. Oh, by the way, did y'all know I'm starting to do nail videos from time to time? Yes, if you haven't seen those videos, they are listed on the channel. This set has lasted almost four weeks now. And these are gel nails. Okay, I don't know if I put too much, I don't know. When it comes to gels, I really don't know, you know, how much is too much till I've, you know, tried it a couple times. I'm interested in seeing if this is gonna leave my hair crunchy give it a mild crunch or no crunch. Let me know down below in the comments if you think I'm going to get the big crunch with this, a mild crunch, or no crunch. Okay. Ooh, that side's starting to shrivel up. You see a part where I could have put some more. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I have put this throughout my hair and I have let it sit for, it's maybe been 45 minutes to an hour. Now my hair is starting to shrivel up and it's coming up more in places, of course, where my hair hits my shoulders. So nothing I can do about that. You can clearly see the shrinkage. I can kind of tell it's gonna be a fluffy wash and go. I still have body. I like that this gel doesn't like flatten out my hair. You know how some stuff is just super heavy and you know, you just look like you got a whole bunch of stringy curls or whatever. It does not look like that, so I like that. I like how soft it is. My hair feels moisturized. Yeah. Hopefully y'all can see. I like it. Okay, this is it. This is what it looks like. I haven't fluffed it. I haven't done anything at all to it. So as you can see, it's a fluffy twist out. While this was drying, I was like, wait a minute. Does this have glycerin in it? I couldn't remember, so I had to look at the ingredients. Yes, this is a pretty much glycerin-based curling gelée. First ingredient, water. Second ingredient, glycerin. So if you are someone who's allergic to glycerin, or you just don't do products with glycerin at all, or you don't like how your curls look when you use products with glycerin in it, then you may not want to go for this. But if you don't care, and if you like the fact that that glycerin is pulling moisture out of the air into your strands like I do, go ahead and get this. I do have a link below. It is in my Amazon storefront. Go ahead and get this. It's super affordable, and look at the price. Look at the price. I mean, you can get it from Amazon. My hair is 98% dry. Air dried. I did not use any diffuser, or maybe it's 97. Even 95, but you get the point. It is pretty much dry. This is pretty much where it's gonna be. My hair is not gonna shrink any more than it already has. My hair is not sticky. It is not crunchy either. This, if you want a soft hold, this is soft hold. There's no crunch whatsoever. And I did not add any of the products. All was water and this. If you like your wash and goes to have body and movement, then get this. I like it. So let me know what you think, roses. Other than that, let me know if any of you have ever tried the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Coconut Cream Recipes Curl Boss Coconut Curling Gelée. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with someone, anyone, your cousin, your mama, your neighbor, your co-worker, your friend, whoever you want. Go ahead and share this video. Let's go ahead and get those numbers up on this as well, like we did the other Aunt Jackie's video. Let's go ahead and do that because I think it's worth it. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.